Welcome to the future of artificial intelligence. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but using it incorrectly can lead to serious risks and unexpected consequences. From privacy leaks to dangerous misinformation, the way you prompt matters more than you think. Today, we are exploring the 5 biggest mistakes to avoid, whether you are a student, a professional, or a casual user. These tips will keep your data safe and your AI experience optimized and secure. Mistake number 1. Sharing personal identifiable information. Never share your social security number, passwords, or private home address with an AI model. Large language models store data to improve their performance. Once your private info enters the cloud, it is no longer truly under your control. Think of ChatGPT as a public forum. If you would not shout it in a crowded room, you should not type it into the prompt box. Mistake number 2. Relying on AI for professional legal or medical advice. While it sounds knowledgeable, AI lacks real-world professional certification and empathy. AI can hallucinate specific laws or medical symptoms, leading to dangerous self-diagnosis or costly legal trouble. Always consult a certified human expert. The gap between an algorithm and a professional is massive. Use AI for brainstorming, but leave the life-altering decisions to the experts. Mistake number 3. Asking for help with harmful or illegal activities. Modern AI systems have strict safety filters to prevent the generation of malicious content. Attempting to bypass these filters can flag your account, leading to permanent bans. Safety layers are there to protect both the user and the community. Mistake number 4. Emotional reliance. AI can mimic empathy, but it does not possess actual feelings. It is a word prediction algorithm, not a friend. Relying on AI for deep mental health support can be isolating. It cannot understand the human experience or provide genuine, real-world emotional connection. Mistake number 5. Unverified critical facts. Never treat AI as a primary source for facts. It can confidently present false information as absolute truth. This phenomenon, known as hallucination, occurs when the model fills gaps in its knowledge with plausible sounding but entirely incorrect or fabricated data. Always use a magnifying glass on your results. Fact-check everything against reputable sources before including AI-generated data in your official reports or work. By avoiding these 5 pitfalls, you can harness the power of AI safely. Remember, the tool is only as good as the human using it. Prompt wisely, stay curious, and keep learning. A clean, optimized interface is your gateway to productivity without the hidden risks. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more AI best practices. Stay safe and happy prompting.